Two creative powerhouses. One head-to-head showdown. ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo versus Dell XPS 15. Which one really delivers? On the left, ASUS's cutting-edge ZenBook Pro Duo, with dual screens and OLED brilliance for creators. And on the right, the Dell XPS 15, a premium, powerful laptop trusted by professionals everywhere. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's the roadmap for today. We're diving into price, performance, display, battery life, design and portability, connectivity and upgradability, and finally, productivity and features. Trust me, each one really changes the game in its own way. You ready? Let's dive in. Kicking things off with price. So, ZenBook Pro Duo. Honestly, it's not shy in the pricing department. That premium tag does come with high-end creative features, and hey, at least you get the stylus bundled in. But yeah, you might feel it in your wallet. Now, the XPS 15, it's got way more configurations, and if you shop smart, you can snag similar specs for less. Plus, used ones pop up pretty often. It can get pricey up top, but overall, the Dell's the easier win for most budgets. On to performance. All right, the ZenBook Pro Duo is straight up a powerhouse, especially if you're multitasking or hammering heavy creative workloads. Multi-core performance, absolutely nuts. And storage speeds are just next level. Downside, it runs hot. And, I mean, you'll definitely hear those fans. The XPS 15 still packs a solid punch. Most people won't ever need more. Great GPU for creative stuff or some gaming, but if you're maxing out cores, it's not quite as fierce as the ZenBook. Oh, and it might throttle a bit on temp spikes. Still, for pure muscle, the ZenBook takes this round. Let's talk screens, because, wow, both are gorgeous in their own right. The ZenBook Pro Duo, though, that 4K OLED display is just dreamy. Pure blacks, colors pop, and then there's the whole secondary touchscreen. Multitasking with touch or stylus support, it just feels futuristic. Downside, the glossy finish picks up like every fingerprint. Now, the XPS 15 also brings the heat. Up to 4K LCD, super bright, Dolby Vision, just vibrant all around. But no touch or stylus. And contrast isn't quite OLED level. For display nerds, the ZenBook's on another planet here. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. The ZenBook Pro Duo's ScreenPad Plus, it actually tilts up automatically for way better ergonomics. Turns out, it's not just for show. Battery life. Ooh, now this one's a little tricky. The ZenBook Pro Duo, with its massive 92 watt-hour battery, actually holds its own for a dual-screen beast. But you do have two screens drawing juice, so don't expect to unplug all day. The XPS 15 has a smaller battery, and the 4K option especially drains it quick. Like, don't kid yourself, you'll need that charger. So between the two, strangely enough, the ZenBook stretches further, which impressed me. All right, design and portability. Let's just say the ZenBook Pro Duo is not winning any slim-down contests. It's a chunky, heavy boy, but that's what you get with dual screens and a metal chassis. If you're hauling it daily, you'll feel it for sure. The XPS 15, on the other hand, seriously sleek. Super light by comparison with those razor-thin bezels. Looks understated, but when you want a laptop that genuinely fits in a bag without a backache, this is it. Dell totally nails portability, connectivity, and upgradability. Okay, so this one matters more than you'd think. ZenBook Pro Duo's got your legacy USB-A, and you'll find Thunderbolt 4. But overall, port selection isn't crazy, and upgrading RAM is pretty limited. The XPS 15, it's got triple USB-C, upgradable RAM up to 64 gigabytes. That's ridiculous. And a strong mix of ports for pros. The only bummer? No old-school USB-A, so keep a dongle handy. But seriously, if you want to keep your laptop future-proof, XPS has a real edge. Final comparison, productivity and features. The ZenBook Pro Duo is basically built for creators, streamers, multitaskers. That secondary screen is a total cheat code. You get stylus support, and workflows just feel so efficient once you're in the groove. There is a learning curve with dual screens, though. Heads up. The XPS 15, it's what you want for typing, working, classic productivity. Great keyboard, huge trackpad. But if you're a creative pro who doodles, draws, or juggles a ton, yeah, you might wish for a little more. Still, the ZenBook wins it on sheer creative versatility. Quick visual check-in. If you plot these side by side on the radar, ZenBook nails it with performance, display, battery, and creative productivity, while XPS really shines on price, portability, upgradability, just all-around pro vibes. It's closer than you'd think, right? So here's my honest take. The ZenBook Pro Duo 15 is in a league of its own if you're heavy into content creation and multitasking. Like, You want those next-level features. But if you need something more portable and still seriously powerful for work or travel, the Dell XPS 15 is kind of the gold standard. They're both top tier, so think about what actually matters most with your workflow. If you found this breakdown helpful, save this comparison for your next upgrade. You never know when that laptop itch will